face. Good. Okay, that was the sacrum. Feel this right there. So go ahead and explain what you were telling me about 2 C-sections and the left hip.
Okay, so I've had 2 C-sections in 2007. Well, I had one in 2017, one in 2018, and from there I haven't fully recovered. My muscles are very weak, mostly on the left side. My doctor said it's because that's where they anchored the incisions. Sitting, bending, I can't lift my hip. I feel like my leg gives out, and I've tried to stretch, do strengthening exercises, but it's so painful that it has limited what I do or what I like to do in the past. Well, my son is 3.
And then what else do you have going on up on top?
So up here, I spend a lot of time on the computer.
With patients?
With patients, using the computer, and now with this telehealth, I'm stuck there for 8 hours. So I'm constantly feeling tension in my neck, my arm, my hands, my wrist, especially everything is all on the left side.
Left side, okay. All right, so let's take a look at that. Let's take you through this, okay? So let's do a straight leg raise on this side, then hold, only push down, hold. Okay, and lift this side, and hold. Okay, so which one's weaker?
The left.
Left side, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and sit up for a moment.
Okay.
And line your back. And we're going to bring this right side up. Hold right here, don't let me pull down.
Okay.
Hold. Try this side. And hold. Okay, so it's very weak on hip flexion too. Let's go ahead and sit up and face me. And now let's bring this right arm up. Don't let me push down. Hold. That's pretty strong. Let's try this side. And hold. And it just blows out. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to find any bones that are out of alignment so the brain can start talking to the body. So we're going to adjust those in proper alignment so they'll be in balance. And also I'm going to give you a couple of exercises to work on, especially for the pelvis after those 2 C-sections. Okay? Let's go face down. Okay, so we're going to come right in here first. Good. Line the side facing me. Okay, that was the sit. Let's go ahead and sit up for a moment and face that way. Good. Turn your face so your body's facing down.
Oh, this way. Okay.
Okay, scoot back a little bit.
Oh, even sitting here,
You can
it
feel
makes
it down
it numb, like on my bottom.
left side. Okay. Let's go like this and just relax that. And just let the whole body go. Good. Excellent. Good. Now let's go face down again. And just let the shoulders go. There we go. Turn your head to the left. And turn to the right. So even though a lot of stuff, you can feel that, right? Coming right there. Both sides were off. So we're going to adjust right here. Perfect. Good. Much better there. Now line your back. Excellent. And we're just going to lift, occiput lift. Just really. Good. And back. Get the other side. Just right there. Beautiful. Excellent. So now we have to check the shoulders, because shoulders, elbows, and wrists, because you do have that kind of a hunch posture, and you can feel this right there. Okay. There it is. Good. This is pretty tight right through that pec minor right there. So, but we're going to come in here, right there. I've actually shifted a little bit. And that one. Also, this whole area is just pretty junky.
Bad.
So you have 8 carpal bones, so we just kind of check all these areas. And we want to, there we go. Nice. Good. Now I want you to bring your arms just like this. Squeeze the back of the shoulder blades together. So it's the inferior traps and the rhomboids that's going to cause this to help align the joint. And then we're going to come in and adjust the shoulder. I'm going to push it back in alignment and adjust that. But it also gets right there on that pec minor, so it's going to be a little tender.
Yeah.
We're going to come in this side too. Excellent. Now we're going to come down here, because remember it's weak on the hip flexion. So we're going to come, and I'm going to have you lift that left leg straight up. Just bring it up. And I'm just going to feel that?
Yeah, that's where it bothers me.
Right there. That's the hip flexor right there. So I'm going to come in and just adjust that actually down at the spine. Now bend your knee. And I want you to frog leg your knee out, so it's going to come out this way. Good. Now bring it back in again. And straighten it. Beautiful. Good job. Good job. Let's try the right side, because that's the strong side before us. Let's go ahead and hold that. Hold. Good. Let's try this side. And hold.
Better.
Yeah. So it's about 90% better. So it's not starting to click in there.
Feel it.
Better. So let's go face down again. And I want you to work on just like this. Bring that knee off the table and lift it off. So it's keeping this down, that's here, and that's coming up. And you're going to hold that for 30 seconds at a time.
Okay.
And you can feel it right through here, right? So you're going to work on that. And you're going to do it 30 seconds, then relax and repeat it 4 times. And we're going to do both sides, okay? So you do that once a day. All right? Now, let's come up and let's check your shoulders. And let's try the right side. And hold, and then push down, hold. That one's like a rock. Let's try this one. Hold. A little different.
Yeah, that's stronger.
Yes, much better. So, so now we're going to go over a couple things though in just a moment with the shoulders. That takes a little bit longer, and your sitting position at the office too when you're with the patients. Okay. Other than that, power's on.